If you need to boost your vaginal mucus for increased drive so that you can enhance intimacy with your partner, stick around to the end of this video. Let me show you how. Are you ready? Let's go there. Hello, welcome. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I'm Antonia from smilingdiva.com. On this channel, I'm all about sexual wellness and helping you build great relationships with your partners and with the people that you love. If this is the sort of thing that you are interested in, stick around, click on that red button that says subscribe, and also hit on that little bell by the side of the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very potent recipe which will help you combat dryness down there so you can enjoy uninterrupted moments of intimacy with your partner. This meal recipe is made up of flaxseed and Greek yogurt. And when you are getting your Greek yogurt, ensure that it is the original Greek yogurt that was made with live culture in it. Don't buy those Greek yogurts in the big superstores. You need to talk to all these organic sellers, people who sell organic products. They will tell you how to get original Greek yogurt. But for the purpose of this video, I actually bought Greek yogurt from a big store, but I have 85 to 90% assurance that Greek yogurt is a good one. Now, flaxseed is very rich in fiber. Is high in fiber, and this will enable you move your bowels, detoxify your system, and enhance your estrogen level. Flaxseed is also very rich in vitamin A, and of course you know that vitamin A will help you enhance your sex hormone production. It will also help your vaginal walls and your uterus to be very, very strong. It also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, and this will help you to balance your estrogen levels. Also, Greek yogurt is rich in L-arginine. L-arginine is a component found in Greek yogurt, and this will help you also balance your estrogen levels. It is important that I let you know that this meal, for effectiveness, you should take it very early before any other meal. So I would advise you take it in the early hours of the morning. But please be informed that a woman is certified ready for intercourse when she is lubricated. So that is a signal that a woman is ready for intercourse. There is a saying that we are a reflection of what we eat. This is very, very true. Whatever we eat shows up down there. That is why when you are experiencing foul smell down there and you visit a health practitioner, they will tell you that you should stay away from certain kinds of food. The same thing applies in this case. So we are what we eat, and whatever we eat shows up down there. So, and I also want to say that a woman is certified ready for intercourse when she is lubricated. Please and please, if you take this meal, you will find out that in the next 4 weeks to 3 months, you will begin to see a huge improvement in your lubrication. While lubrication is an indication that a woman is ready for the action in the other room, you know what I mean. It is very, very important you also know that psychological, physical, and emotional issues can show up in the other room as dryness or lack of lubrication in a woman and or lack of erection in a man. So please, I would advise that during this process or during this time that you are building up your body to be very okay for this, you know what I mean. So it is very important that you don't indulge in things that will make you emotional, that will make you think, or if you have any issues, try as much as possible to resolve any of those issues before time for intimacy. You know what I mean, so that this therapy that you want to do now will work for you. So let's go over to our workstation and make this recipe. So you are welcome to my workstation. So I'm going to be demonstrating how to make flaxseed edible for consumption. Okay, so I'll be using 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. You can get flaxseed in any big supermarket. I actually got this one in a supermarket very close to my house. I'm going to be measuring 2 tablespoons of flaxseed into this blender, and I'm going to grind it. It is better you grind flaxseed before taking it. You cannot just take flaxseed on its own because it takes a longer time to digest if you ingest flaxseed this way. So I'm going to be using Greek yogurt. I also bought this in a supermarket very close to my house. But please and please, you have to ensure that you are using Greek yogurt and not just anyhow Greek yogurt. So this is my measuring spoon. I'm going to measure 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. Ensure that whenever you blend flaxseed, ensure to not exceed 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. This is 1 tablespoon and 2. So the maximum you can take in a day is 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. All right, cannot take more than 2 tablespoons in a day. So we blend it. Make sure that you blend the flaxseed. Okay, I think I'm done now. After blending these 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, I discovered that it is now more than 2 tablespoons, but I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. And if you want to know how flaxseed look like, let me show you how this is. I hope you can see it. This is how flaxseed is. So it is very important to get the real flaxseed. Okay, so I'm going to be taking it with my Greek yogurt today. So the measurements for Greek yogurt will be 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. This is 1 tablespoon. This is, I think I should take more than 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. So I'm taking 4 tablespoons for this recipe. Okay, you can actually take more if you want, but you must not exceed 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. Okay, so what this means is that you can take as much quantity of Greek yogurt as you can, but you cannot take more than 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, depending on the size of the Greek yogurt. So this is the Greek yogurt now that I put here. I'm going to be taking, let me use this is half spoon. I'm going to measure with this because this one I've already used this one, so I'm going to measure with this one. So this is now half, so this one makes 1 teaspoon of flaxseed. I'm going to be keeping this one for later today because you must not exceed 2 tablespoons of flaxseed in a day. So this is 1 tablespoon here on 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Please do not use ordinary yogurt, please. Oh, you use Greek yogurt to make this recipe. In another video, I'm going to be showing you how to use cornstarch, how to take it with flaxseed. There are several ways you can take flaxseed, you understand? So, but I'm very much comfortable with taking flaxseed with Greek yogurt because Greek yogurt is also a dairy food that helps in vaginal dryness on its own. There is a component in this Greek yogurt called L-arginine, which is very good. So you can imagine a combination of flaxseed, which is also good in solving the problem of dryness down there. You can imagine a combination of this and Greek yogurt. Of course, you know that it's going to be very effective. So this is a very effective mixture, and I'm going to be taking this right now. As you can see, this is my Greek yogurt and my flaxseed. I'll be taking it now. I advise that you try this. It's very, very delicious, I must say. So you can now savor both the goodness of this recipe. You savor it. It can be very filling also, and then also enjoying the benefits of a balanced hormone. Thank you. Bye.